Hi everybody, I'm Sonia Malkison, Hospital Accreditation and Quality Management Consultant. I'm the co-founder of Dial Remedy. I'm creating this video to talk about one of the important concepts of quality management. So let's begin. I'm going to talk about continuous improvement and continual improvement. Most of the people, they think these two concepts, these two terms are synonym, but that's not correct. There is a lot of difference between these two things. So let's begin with the first one, that is continuous improvement. So for example, you are making improvement and in any project, and if you are making the improvement continuously without any interruption, that is called a continuous improvement. For example, you sow a seed, and that seed will become a small plant, and continuous improvement is happening, and then ultimately that plant will become a big tree. So there is a continuous improvement, continuous growth without any interruption, that is called a continuous improvement. So these kind of approaches we are taking in lean management, lean manufacturing, and in that we are using a Kaizen concept to make the improvement. So that is a continuous improvement without any interruption. Growth is happening, improvement is happening, that is called a continuous improvement. Second is a continual improvement. In continual improvement, what is the difference? In continual improvement, it is taking place in a repeated approach, or in other words, we can say that it is taking place in phases. So first we are making an improvement, that is our first phase. Then we have a sustain phase, right? Then we are sustaining, and then we have a second phase. Again we are sustaining to check whether we are the improvement, whatever improvement we made till now, is it whether we are sustaining it or not, whether we are getting back to the initial place from where we have started, or whether we are sustaining it. So in this approach, this is a repeated approach. One phase for the improvement, then sustain, and then the second phase. For example, what we have to do in these continual improvement, we are using two things, that is a PDCA cycle, and then we are using a SDS cycle. So we are in a phase, we are making an improvement, we are using a PDCA approach, that is plan, do, check, act. So in this, we are making a plan that how we have to make the improvement. Then the next is a do, that is we are executing what we are planning. Then next we are checking it, and the last one we are acting upon that, we are doing that. So this is a plan, do, check, act. This is a phase when we are making an improvement. Then there is a sustain, we are checking it whether the improvements what we have made till now, whether we are doing it, whether we are sustaining it or not. And in that, to sustain that, we are using SDA cycle, that is a standardized do, check, act. So same thing we are repeating in the next cycle. So this kind of approach we are making. So what is the basic difference between continuous improvement and a continual improvement? In continuous improvement, there is no interruption in the growth, in the improvement. But in continual improvement, we are making an improvement, we are sustaining it, and then to the next phase, and again there is a sustain phase. This kind of approach we are using. And in industry, most of the time what we are using continual improvement as compared to the continuous improvement, because it is quite impossible to make an improvement continuously without any interruption. So this is quite difficult for most of the time. So mostly what we are doing in industry, in healthcare organization, or in hospitals, what we are doing, we are using continual improvement to check whether we are sustaining it or we are at the right track. So we are doing this kind of improvement. So this is a basic difference between these two things, that is continuous and continual improvement. I hope this video is beneficial for you, and so keep tuned in for my next video. Thank you.